सोशल मीडिया के क्या एडवांटेजेस हैं, क्या प्रॉफिट्स हैं, क्या प्लस है। आज की वीडियो में हम लोग सोशल मीडिया के अलग अलग प्रॉफिट्स के बारे में जिक्र करेंगे, स्पोकन इंग्लिश प्रैक्टिस को ध्यान में रखते हुए। सबसे पहले बात करते हैं कि सोशल मीडिया का मतलब क्या होता है। सोशल मीडिया का सिंपल सा मतलब होता है वे सारे मीडियम जिनके माध्यम से हम सोशली कनेक्ट करते हैं। फेसबुक, यूट्यूब, ट्विटर, इंस्टाग्राम, ये सारे जो है सोशल मीडिया के कुछ फेमस प्रमुख जो है एग्जाम्पल है। अब बात करते हैं कि आज के मॉडर्न एरा में व्हाट आर द रियल एडवांटेजेस ऑफ सोशल मीडिया, व्हाई शुड वी यूज सोशल मीडिया। Actually, even if you do not know the advantages, we are already in this custody. We are using different sort of social media, YouTube, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, Reel, Short, Story. All these have been regular part of our daily routine. Intentionally, unintentionally, everyone, student, teachers, in hospital, in school, coaching, different sort of institutes or places, everywhere. Even the smaller guys, kids, they are using smartphones in which they are using social media like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and things like that. Anyway, the most and the best advantage of using social media for me is that nowadays we have this option of spreading, of extending our profession with the help of Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and it is quite convenient, it is quite easy, it is not expensive. Within a few minutes we can spread whatever we have, our skill, our knowledge, our product, our service. In earlier days, to spread whatever product or service you have, whether you are a professional guy in self department, I mean to say self-employed, or you're entrepreneur, a business guy, you need to be very very expensive to spread your product, whether with the help of newspaper or TV. It is very very difficult to approach a media man or a TV channel to really spread your, extend your, advertise your whatever service or product you have. But nowadays we have option of Facebook, Instagram, where with the help of just clicking a photo or making just a short video, we can advertise on story, on short, reel, Facebook post, YouTube video. There are lots of advantages actually, and people, if you want to connect or target a specific customer, we have this sort of option as well. We can sort a video of 15 seconds, 1 minute, and for that we have different sort of option like YouTube, story, short. Overall, the advantages are absolutely very very demanding, very very high. With the help of social media, social networks like Facebook, WhatsApp, Insta, and lots of things, people are earning lots of money and they are just growing their profession, their service, their product, whatever they have, with the help of their own skill, own knowledge of using different sort of social media, which is quite obvious, quite easy nowadays. Here are 4 points which I have concluded that these are the some advantages that we get with the help of social media. First, it is very easy, convenient. You just need to open your account on Facebook, on Instagram, and then whatever skill you have, whatever profession you have, whatever service or product you have, just click a photo or shoot a video and then upload that on YouTube also, and you can get access to different sort of customers or viewers, whatever target your is. Second, it is very cheap. Yes, it is not very costly like earlier days where lots of money in thousand in different sort of kind of approach you need to have. You need to go through different sort of processes, system. You need to file this, that. But on social media nowadays, with the help of technology, we can do it quite cheaply, quite easily, quite conveniently, very very simply. Fast, yes, within a few minutes, a few days, you can reach as many people as you want. You can reach even the bored customers if you have that skill. There need some sort of website designing or some other skills as well. With the help of these social media running ability, I think you can definitely learn it quite easily. You can get kind of such a training where lots of teachers online, with the help of social media, they teach us, and we can definitely grow our business or profession very very rapidly, very very fast. Number 4, it is very reliable. Yes, if you want to kind of be faithful, or you want your kind of service or product to be reliable, and you sort of can edit or change any kind of thing about that service or product, and for that this sort of reliability or faithfulness provided by social media. You can change it, you can edit it anytime, and such is the confidence with the help of social media that you get. So I think you got the idea here in this short video. All I talked about the advantages of social media. I know there are lots of people who are just spending their time on uploading photo, likes, comment, reel, different sort of videos, but yeah, if we really want to grow ourselves, our profession, our career, I think social media is the best tool. We can spread our knowledge, skill. Me personally, as you know, I have my own YouTube channel, and with the help of reel, story, WhatsApp status, I have grown, and my channel has grown, and it has given me lots of advantage. So I hope you got the idea. I think you are going to share this video to as many people as you want. Thank you very much. See you in the very next video. Until then.